Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Welcome home to this massive 4/5 bedroom 2.5 bathroom home located on a large corner lot in Kenwood at Saratoga. Well thought out open concept floor plan with plenty room to spread out. Cozy gas log fireplace in the family room. Kitchen features tons of countertop space, custom tile backsplash, an island and a walk-in pantry. All kitchen appliances are included. Brand new luxury vinyl tile and fresh paint throughout. Between the loft, home office and exercise room there are so many possibilities to make this home whatever you need it to be. All upstairs bedrooms have walk-in closets. 3-car attached garage.